Alright, so heading down to the park for the first time in a while. Winds in New Jersey have been kind of rowdy lately, so I haven't been out in a couple weeks. And tonight looks like it's going to be pretty decent, so here we go. Gonna give it a shot.
Right, we're recording. Thanks, man. Clear prop. All right, things are looking good. So I'm out here flying tonight with Tucker out there and Jeff up on top of that mountain. This is my first time flying in New Jersey since spring has sprung. I'm back en route catching up to Jeff and Tucker. You can see them out there on the horizon, like right out that way. I don't see them anymore. There they are. It makes you think, because I haven't been able to spot Jeff or Tucker for like 5 minutes, easy. And they've just been down in this valley here, and they blended in with everything. But it definitely makes you think about like airplanes and what we must look like to them, or just any other air traffic, really. Not very comforting thought, but alright, we're all tripped out. Moving along nice and quick. Just stow my hands here. Weight shift my way home. Man, this freaking lighting is incredible. So I haven't been out flying in a while because I was finishing a bunch of exams, but now I'm finally back out here, and it feels great to be flying. This could not be more beautiful though right now. This is incredible. Little tip steering action here to get around quick. Get a quick photo for the Instagram of that awesome looking sunset out there. Actually starting to get a little cold. Alright, we're going to trim in here, and we're going to go for a nice glide back down to the park. Oh, trimmed that a little too far. There we go. So here we go. It's glide time. I feel like the wind is going into my wing right now, and I'm really just not moving at all. I'm like taking an elevator ride down to the park right now. Tucker's just being Tucker. Started. I think this is the bumpy layer from the rotor coming off the mountain, starting to come back, as to be expected. Kind of hook some S-turns here. It's pretty spicy down here.